Electronic and Mechanical Safe Lock Servicing. This 5-day course will give you a solid foundation for becoming a safe lock technician. In this hands-on course, you will learn proper dialing and opening procedures, basic functions and designs of combination locks, service procedures, pertinent diagnostics, troubleshooting, and opening of electronic and mechanical safe locks. We have combined both of our electronic and mechanical safe lock servicing courses. To enroll for this class, contact Lockmaster Security Institute at 866-574-8724 or visit our website at lsieducation.com.